If something is a symbol of disruption and destruction, war and aggression, then it's a bomb. The blue lit bomb, 9 meters high and 8 meters long, Big Bang, is threateningly suspended in the air, just before it will hit the water, or perhaps the boat. But those who come closer will also discover another surprising side of the artwork. It is covered with 7,000 soft feathers, all attached hand by hand. They lit up mysteriously and sometimes make way for hundreds of small twinkling lights. Strangely enough, this gives the bomb something sweet, romantic and, above all, harmless. The title Big Bang perhaps refers to the famous Big Bang that created the universe, time and space, and ultimately also our planet. But where the first Big Bang set everything in motion, that of Uksu's studio, heralds the end. Because tragically, after that long run, we seem to be breaking down and exhausting the Earth again, with our polluting industry, overpopulation and wars. We hear, read and see news stories about this on a daily basis and may initially come in as a shock. Yet a little later we already are busy with our own worries. We are becoming immune to it. How will you react if the chaos invades your safe environment? With fear, anger or resignation? Fortunately, it remains a dark fantasy with this bomb. The Uksu Studio is a Taiwanese collective of architects, designers and artists founded by Kuan Hong Shen and Ying Shu Shen. Their experimental multidisciplinary approach leads to surprising light objects, which are often made from simple and everyday materials. Sometimes these are large installations in which you can wander around or just sit quietly. Sometimes they enlarge or reduce a recognizable sign or image to a surrealistic format. Their goal is to make things that are easy to understand. Last year, the studio made Desire for the ALF, a work of art of 1,500 lights that together formed a mouth,